At the last World of Concrete, we saw something that really caught our eye. Red Art Technologies had created a programmable concrete CNC machine that could quickly and efficiently create graphics, custom logos, and text in a multitude of materials. It was a showstopper, and it didn't take long for us to see the potential of such a tool. Fast forward a year or so, and we partnered with Red Art to tell you a little more about both the product and the process and how it works. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the company behind this innovative CNC cutting machine. Red Art Technologies was created by Henry Ashworth of Bountiful, Utah. After a year of research and development, Henry patented the world's first truly portable CNC engraving machine, the Red Art CNC Pro. It could customize surfaces with any typeface, logo, pattern, graphic, or image that you could imagine, largely because the system removed the engraving deck. The target market was businesses, entrepreneurs, even nonprofit organizations. The CNC Pro links to software on a laptop, which transforms virtually any image from the computer into a precise engraving on any desired surface. The product, in addition to having a revolutionary design, boasts durability, versatility, and portability. The product has retained the same milled aluminum frame for the past 6 years. Red Art has made some improvements, like using beefier step motors, which now allow the machine to engrave vertically on the walls. So let's talk about one of the coolest projects we've seen done with this innovative system. Some of the most impressive are these larger engravings that require much more space than you find within the confines of the CNC Pro itself. The largest tile job we've seen this system tackle was performed by an owner out of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. He engraved a large periodic table of elements into the Science Plaza at the Episcopal School of Baton Rouge. The project took around 5 days to complete. Another cool project happened when the city of Las Vegas contacted Red Art to help improve the historic artistic district by engraving poems into area walkways. So how else do we see the CNC Pro being used? Well, individuals like to see their favorite sports teams engraved on their garage, their driveway, their pool deck, or even their shop. Businesses tend to make requests for street signage or to have their logo engraved onto the lobby or in recreational areas. Educational institutions and nonprofits can utilize engraving surfaces for fundraising, such as engraving donor names. No matter the application, the design process for creating custom engraved artwork is pretty straightforward. The process, if you want to call it that, entails a customer bringing in a photo, some text, or a design to be engraved. With VCarve, you can trace just about anything and send it to the machine for engraving. The CNC Pro operator then drafts a design and gets the customer to sign off on it. Lastly, they engrave the design and optionally add pigment or epoxy to really make it pop. Red Art ships the CNC Pro in a waterproof, high-density plastic case. It makes it very transportable as a CNC solution, and it can handle going on location and making it back to the shop when you're done. While you can use the system in your workshop, it's really designed to go boldly where no CNC machine has gone before. So here's where it gets interesting. Red Art Technologies makes it so that you don't have to have any CNC knowledge to buy and use this concrete engraving machine. The reason is that they include in-depth training materials with every CNC Pro they sell. Currently, Red Art Technologies says less than 200 CNC Pro owners exist worldwide. Between them, they've logged over 30,000 hours, netting over $10 million in sales. This CNC engraving machine and technology are simply cool. It's rare that a tool contains an entire business model, but this one does. Aside from concrete, the right bits and techniques also give you the potential to engrave wood, stone, tile, brick, high-density polyethylene, and even glass. On top of that, it's built to last, with components milled from solid aluminum and backed with a 2-year warranty and support. Add to that the self-paced training program and owners group, and you've got something you can build on for years to come. So what do you think? Is the Red Art Technologies CNC Pro concrete engraving machine right for your business? Discover how Michael, a CNC Pro owner, earned $200,000 and went full-time in just 4 months. Ready to take the next step? Fill out the contact form below and let's explore the endless possibilities together.